All right, this is the new Blooms by Play-Doh Bouquet kit, and this is the Meadow Bouquet, and I cannot wait to show you how fun this is. So it comes with everything you need to get started right out of the box, so let's jump right in and let me show you how fun this can be. So the kit comes with 20 Play-Doh color sticks, a clear vase, the flower making pieces and base, a cleaning brush, finishing spray, stems, the centers for all of the flowers, and a bunch of greenery. The instructions use detailed photos to show you exactly which pieces to use and the order to follow for each flower design. To start, you press the Play-Doh into the designated plastic pieces, then you snap the pieces onto the base. The booklet walks you through everything step by step, and it was easy to follow along. Then snap the flower center onto the plunger and you're ready to go. Then comes the really satisfying part. As you press down, the Play-Doh pushes through the different openings, creating the layers and petals of the flower right before your eyes. And look how pretty that finished flower turned out. So here's another one being made. Once it's finished, you carefully lift it from the base, and each combination of pieces creates a slightly different flower shape. These are some of the other flowers I made using the different designs. You can follow the suggested color combinations, or you can mix the colors and create your own custom bouquet. Once the flowers are ready, you attach them to the stems and arrange them inside the vase. The bouquet organizer helps hold the stems in place, and then the greenery fills in all the open spaces and just makes the arrangement look a lot fuller. Y'all, I can't tell you how much fun this was to make. I loved seeing the bouquet come together like this. And after the flowers have dried, you can add a light spritz of the included finishing spray to help protect the design. And here's my finished Play-Doh flower bouquet. I love how colorful and unique it turned out, and the clear vase keeps all of the attention on the flowers. This would be such a fun project for teens or adults who enjoy hands-on crafts, floral arranging, or just creating something you can display afterwards. Watching each flower take shape is so satisfying and seriously reminded me of my childhood. The best part is, no two flowers will look exactly the same.